Hello, and welcome to this year's Dev Neuro Academy. My name is Dr. Cathy Fernandes. I'm an Associate Professor at King's College London, and I head the Preclinical Models of Neurodevelopmental Disorders group at the Social Genetic and Developmental Psychiatry Centre, which is based at the Institute of Psychiatry, Psychology and Neuroscience, or the IOPPN, which is part of King's College London. My group investigate the contribution of genetics and the environment to neurodevelopmental diversity and a range of psychiatric disorders. I have a particular interest in the interaction of genes with the environment. Using environmental models such as prenatal and early life stress, chronic stress, and drug exposure, and I use genetically manipulated rodents bred or exposed to these different environments, and I then assess their social and emotional behaviours, as well as their cognitive ability. I have over 30 years' experience working with these animal models of behaviour, environment, pharmacology, and genetics. Alongside my research, I'm the school education lead for Mental Health and Psychological Sciences School at the IOPPN, overseeing education within our school. And this includes our BSc Psychology programme and a range of master's courses covering developmental psychology and psychopathology, global mental health, health psychology, and applied statistics and health informatics. We also have a number of courses which have been commissioned for the NHS to train their staff in a range of talking therapies, including cognitive behavioural therapy or CBT, as well as our doctorate in clinical psychology. I'm also proud to be a King's alumnus. Many years ago, when dinosaurs roamed the earth, I was a student at King's studying pharmacology with toxicology. I'm one of the first generation of people in my family to go to university. My parents were economic migrants that came to the UK in the 1960s with only primary school education. So I feel incredibly lucky and proud to have had the opportunities to study and become an academic at King's. After studying pharmacology with toxicology, I then went on to do a PhD in psychopharmacology, which looks at the effects of drugs on the brain, at Guy's Hospital, working with rodent models of behaviour, looking at anxiety, exploratory behaviour, cognition and social behaviour, and mechanisms of drug dependence. I further developed expertise in behavioural genetics across several postdoctoral fellowship positions at the Royal Free Hospital, the IOPPN, and the Rudolf Magnus Institute of Neuroscience in the Netherlands, before returning to the IOPPN. One of the things I really love about being a scientist is the opportunity to discover something new and to collaborate with students and colleagues across the world, sharing and learning from different cultures and perspectives. But that's enough about me. I'm really looking forward to meeting you at the Dev Neuro Academy, as I'll be one of your DNA tutors. I do hope you enjoy the Dev Neuro Academy week, and I can't wait to start working with you on your exciting projects.